Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is dropping right now. It's going to that $18,500 line. It went exactly, I didn't expect it so quick yesterday. I'm going to show you in the video. My opinion is that we double bottom at 17,500, and then I think that going in October we could have a big violent move, in my opinion, to the upside actually for Bitcoin, which is beautiful. I'm here in beautiful Munich, Germany. Check out this, it's like fairy tale castles. Beautiful, right? We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. MCRT is kind of holding still strong after this drop, which is beautiful, but most of the market decimated. Ethereum massively dropped. Bitcoin down 8%. The market is getting hammered hard. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to go into the technicals for Bitcoin. This was me talking about this drop before it happened. Bitcoin, most likely, in my opinion, it's going to double bottom, freak everyone out here, and then finish this downtrend and break out here. So most likely coming down to 1770, but on the weekly, that was yesterday at 19,600, and then this happened. The market got annihilated. Look at this. The market is just down massively. We've got nothing. Actually, Shiba slightly in the green, Solana slightly in the green. The rest of the market, stocks also getting hammered. On the low end, MCRT down 7%, Ethereum Classic 4%, Bitcoin 4.8%, Coinbase 4%. The stock market also, it's not just crypto. Crypto market cap 860 billion it came down to. BNB getting hammered 258. Ethereum, look at this, 1,299 for Ethereum getting destroyed. Let's go into Bitcoin. So on the weekly, we're still extremely oversold, but it's turning down more. This was the downtrend that we started. You're looking at the price of Bitcoin moving over time. This was the downtrend that started on November 11, 2021. And then we've been going down. We came and touched this red line a few days ago, and then just got massively rejected off it, hammered hard. But the volume is picking up, so people are buying. And again, in my opinion, the time to sell was when I called the day of the top and I got out of all cryptocurrencies at 69,000 on November 11. Down here at 18,000, in my opinion, is not the time to be selling. So just keep that in mind. On the daily, extremely oversold on the stochastic, but they are heading lower. Stochastic also heading lower, below the dotted lines, but heading down more. RSI, extremely oversold. Turning up actually, the RSI, the average is turning up now, the yellow line. Squeeze mob is going towards the red side. More pain to come, it looks like. Let's see if the Bitcoin indicator bot's called it. Bitcoin indicator bot called it exactly. Look at that. It called a buy here and then a sell exactly on that red line. And that's where that red line's been there for months, and it perfectly called it again. TA is absolutely amazing. Bitcoin indicator hasn't fired a buy yet. It called the sell perfectly and hasn't fired a buy, so expect more downwards. Bitcoin indicator bot still showing sell on the Guru bot. You get these bots in the master course. The link is also in the description. On the 4 hourly, we're extremely oversold. Huge selling volume. Look at the last day of selling. Massive volume selling. We had here, you can see on the left, 17,000 Bitcoin sold, 13,000 Bitcoin sold, 11,000 Bitcoin sold, all in the last day. Huge selling pressure. Bitcoin indicator bot, let's see if it fired a buy. Fired a sell up there and hasn't fired a buy yet, which is interesting. Again, you get it in the master course. Huge volume coming in on this sell bot. And what's bad is we broke this trend line. So if you zoom out, you can see that Bitcoin was in this rising broadening wedge, which is a bearish pattern actually. And it broke down underneath it now. Now, in my opinion, most likely we're going to double bottom here, hopefully double bottom at 17,600. And the downtrend line ends, the red one ends here around the 12th of October. So let's see if either Bitcoin falls further down past this double bottom. And if it does, then Bitcoin can be falling to the next major support. I think it'll be very quick if it does do that, which will be 13,888 if it does break down here. Or we get a double bottom bounce here with massive volume, and that marks the end of the bear market, and we break this red downtrend line, which is going to happen soon. Either we drop down massively here or we break through. It's close. On the 4 hourly, stochastic oversold. We lost that support. We're on another support right now, but it's just holding on. Most likely it's going to come to 17,600. We got a bounce here. A lot of buying came in. At the last 2 hours, there was around 5,000 and about 11,000 Bitcoin bought in the last 2 hours. So there is buying volume coming in, trying to get the bottom. But I think 17,600 is where it will go. On the 15-minute, also oversold, getting a little bit of a bounce, but I think it will fail. So I would go short here on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, I'm going to show you where I'll set the trade. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video, In the description of the video down below, you can sign up to Bybit. Use this, go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus when you use that link. That's where I trade Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's where you can buy spot, altcoins, etc. Sign up to Bybit. You get $4,450 sign up bonus when you deposit Bitcoin or USD. The link is in the description. That will give you the Bybit trading account. And I would go short here on Bitcoin. Stop loss above this support. My God, the bells are so freaking loud. Stop loss above this support, and the take profit, I would take profit. I'm going to go in the castle at the 17,600, and then I would go long from there. Actually, I would open a trade here because either it works or it fails. But the stochastic is oversold on the 15-minute, on the hourly, so we can have a little bit of a recovery, but it already tested before it failed, which is interesting. I would actually open it slightly higher. I would open the short here, stop loss just above, and then take profit down here. That gives us a nice risk to reward, 3.42. So I would open the short at 18,585, stop loss 18,860, and the take profit 17,632. 3.42 ratio, risking 275 to make 942 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that'll be $9,420. That's the trade that I'll take on Bitcoin. I'll share that inside my Telegram alerts group. So if you want, you can join the Telegram alerts group. We've got Magicraft Game Chat, and we've got the Telegram alerts group, Crypto Guru Alerts. You can join 4,500 people in there, and I'll share this trade in there. That's the trade that I'll take on Bitcoin. Again, if you want to trade, go down below, sign up to Bybit down below, and you get that bonus. And MCRT is actually holding, it's still dropped quite a bit, but holding on quite strong during this sell-off. Right now it's down 4%, but it's actually up 4% against Bitcoin and up 7% against Ethereum. So even though MCRT is dropping, it's actually holding amazingly strong against Bitcoin and Ethereum. Pay attention to MCRT, rank 640. It's on the BNB, Ethereum, Solana, Phantom chain, CertiK audited. Market cap 16.2 million, a big drop in the last few days. Volume 462, and big drop with Bitcoin. It was actually recovering quite strong, but Bitcoin heavy drop in the last month. Quite a big drop also. It's still almost holding, but big downtrend. On the 3 months, still up massively with a lot of volume coming in. You can get MCRT on PancakeSwap, 1,000 USD on PancakeSwap. Gives you 95,000 MCRT. So 1,000 USD almost gives you 100,000 MCRT. Pay attention to MCRT. My goal is to make it the #1 play-to-earn game in the world. And I'm gonna, in a bull market, my target is 95 USD. It's not financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence, but that's my goal. And don't forget, you can stake, after you get your MCRT, you can stake it at app.magicraft.io. 458 million MCRT is currently staked. You get 27% APR per year. Different staking bonuses for different lockup periods. You can check that out at app.magicraft.io. And that's quite amazing because almost 500 million MCRT is staked, but the circulating supply is 1.57 billion. So 30% of the circulating supply is already staked, which is beautiful. You can get Magicraft, the link down below, MCRT, PancakeSwap there, and the other exchanges. So pay attention to that. I'll also be speaking in Dubai on the Blockchain Economy Summit at 4th to 5th of October in the Le Méridien Dubai hotels. Go there, join us. There's going to be 3,000 attendees, 110 journalists, 80 sponsors, 60 countries. I'll be one of the speakers talking about Magicraft and the gaming world. This is Blazy, one of the characters that will also be an NFT. And our NFTs are going crazy. Pay attention to it. This is also Bitcoin. The number of addresses with more than 1 Bitcoin is growing steadily. Look at that, the yellow line. Look how much in its all-time high of number of addresses with more than 1. Watch every day, James. Love this project. Thank you, Nathan. You're the great man, James. I always respect you a lot. Thanks for everything you've been doing. I'm always super big support of your project. Thank you, Tasmina. Shafraz, please keep on talking more about MCRT. My biggest profit from MCRT. Thank you so much, James. Still up about 8 times in the last few months, which is beautiful. Mohammed, thank you so much for your daily updates. I look forward to them. You always notify your subscribers. I always love watching your videos. I can learn new things every day. Beautiful, guys. So that's what's happening in the market. Next video, I'll do a video on Ethereum and Solana. Pay attention. If you're my audience, you have to do your own due diligence, but pay attention to MCRT. It's my project. I'm already a retired multimillionaire, and what we're building is unbelievable. We have 130 full-time workers now working on Magicraft. It's the best game. If you actually, a lot of people now are in the closed beta. To join, you need to have 1 million MCRT or 1 Genesis NFT. The team is starting to invite people, and it's epic game. I've played all games: World of Warcraft, Diablo, Lineage 2, StarCraft, Counter-Strike, and this game is better than them all, and everyone keeps saying this. And it's going to be it's play to earn using MCRT. So what we're building is something unbelievable. Right now the market cap is 14 million. Pay attention to it. Our goal is also to be PUBG in games like this, and they make billions of dollars in revenue per year. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. The time to sell was November 11th, 69K. In my opinion, it's the time to start adding. Make sure you ladder your orders down. Don't put all your money in now. We can drop to 12K, so make sure you ladder them down, like 16K, 15K, 14K, 13K, etc. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.